more can I say? Green's the color of your money, then put that broccoli in my plate. I've been working really hard and giving y'all